Hi guys, so one of my frustration every time I create a custom icons in Canva is I really don't have an option to change the color unless if I use preset templates or preset icons in Canva. But what if you want to make your logo changeable?
The hacks that I'm going to show with you will be really helpful if you always use your logo into the graphics, or if you have a custom icons that you use it repeatedly and you want to change it, just like this custom shapes that are built in Canva. Okay, so if you notice in here, like, you can change the color of the icons, but if you upload a video, an image like this one, that feature is really limited, and what you can only do is just change the effects, add an effects or filter into your image. Now, how did I make this one dynamically changeable? That one. So this is the tutorial that I'm going to show with you. We will make your custom icon or your logo dynamically changeable. So the first one is you need to make sure that you have at least a JPEG option or JPEG version of your logo. It's better if you have a vector version, but if you don't have, let's just skip it. You can just come up with a PNG version or a JPEG version. And then we will use Photoshop on that.
This is super useful, especially if you have different types of banner, a dark banners and a light banner. So what if you want to make your logo changeable? You want it to be easily changeable, just like a custom icons in Canva. So I just realized that those preset icons in Canva are made in SVG. So in this tutorial, I'm going to teach you the exact process or the right process on how to generate and create an SVG that Canva will accept or support. So if you are interested in that, stay tuned, because I will really teach you the step-by-step process. So without further ado, let's begin. 1, 2, 3.
So by the way, this is our logo. So this is our logo. So what you can do, I'm gonna copy this one and put it on the other folder. Now, right click and then choose this convert to smart object. Okay, you'll see that it is in a smart object because it has this icon in it there. And then after that, you use this one, or you can also use this one, the pen tools, if you really want to make things smooth. But for now, we'll just use the magic tools. And then I will copy everything. I will magic tools everything. And then right click and you choose the make work path. Okay, and let's make the tolerance pixel to 1. And then after that, you right click and then file and then export path to Illustrator, and then let's call this. Okay, now you need to, after that, we need to go to the Illustrator and then open the file that you just exported. Okay, and then we need, I need to just adjust the artboard to, because it's too big, so let's just adjust the artboard for now. And if you notice in here, like, this is already vector type. So if you change the color, if you want to make adjustment with your logo, because sometimes it's not really, it doesn't really look good if you rasterize it. So, or if you convert that one, if you use a magic tools rather. So I will use a pen tools to clean it a bit. Or adjust this one. Actually this one, okay. So I want to adjust this one a little bit. Or you can actually just use the So I'm gonna adjust this for a while. I'll pause this and then I'll get back to you once it's done. Alright, so I already adjusted the vector theme. So once you are ready, once you are contented with your vectorized version of your logo, then click the file. I'm sorry, I need to minimize this Photoshop. So click the file and then export as, and then we will select the SVG, and I'm gonna call this one green icon, green logo. So that, and then go back to your Canva, and we will log in the Wim thing, and I will use that here and here. So we do that one. So yeah, so this one is super helpful for us. This is super helpful because we always change our logo sometimes. I mean, this will really save them a lot of time. They're gonna thank me on this. So for the font, it's still the same. So right click, but first you need to convert this into path because this is set into font base. So right click and then convert to shape. Convert to shape, by the way, rather. So you need to convert it to shape first before converting it to path. Or second would be convert to smart object. Okay. Now once it is already in smart object, okay. So these are. Let me check this one so you can really see the design. So once it is already smart object, you can start. You can use the tools again and convert that, or similar to the process we did earlier. So make a work path, that one, and then after that, let's actually I'm gonna copy this one. So copy, and then I will add a new file, that one, and we will move it like that, 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 and the process is still the same. File and save as Path Illustrator and font. Now go back to your Illustrator. You open that one and Font AI, and you have this stuff in there already. So you will also adjust the artwork, and I think this one is already good. By the way, this is a Montserrat font, but the Wim thing, or the M thing, is different on the original Montserrat. That's why I need to convert this into SVG. Okay, and then after that, file, save as. I'm sorry, I always forgot this one. So you need to be in Illustrator, save as, and then SVG for that, and let's call that. Okay, and then let's go back to the Canva and upload SVG. You'll open another one in here. Should do that way. And let's change it to like that, or just change it to block.
So I hope you like that hacks, because it really saved me time in looking for an icons that is not available in Canva, especially if it is our branding icons. Then that would be super helpful for me to avoid uploading and re-uploading the images in Canva. So hit the thumbs up if you like this video, and comment down below what's your feedback on this hack.